Welcome to this tutorial on how to track your budget using EveryDollar, a free budgeting app that helps you manage your finances effectively. EveryDollar is a user-friendly tool that allows you to create a personalized budget and track your expenses in real time. To get started, first create an account on the EveryDollar website or download the mobile app. Once you have created your account, you will be prompted to set up your budget by filling out a simple form that asks for your income and basic expenses. Step 1 is to set your income, which includes all the money you earn from your job, investments, and any other sources. Be sure to include all your income streams to get an accurate picture of your finances. Step 2 is to add your fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and loan payments. These are the essential expenses that you need to pay every month. Step 3 is to add your variable expenses, such as groceries, entertainment, and travel. These expenses can vary from month to month, so be sure to track them carefully. Once you have set up your budget, you can start tracking your expenses by logging into your EveryDollar account and adding each transaction as you make it. You can also link your bank accounts and credit cards to the app, which allows you to track your expenses automatically. A key concept to keep in mind when using EveryDollar is the 50-30-20th rule, which suggests that 50% of your income should go towards fixed expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. To get the most out of EveryDollar, be sure to track your expenses regularly and make adjustments to your budget as needed. You can also use the app to set financial goals, such as paying off debt or building up your savings. One of the best practices when using EveryDollar is to review your budget regularly and make adjustments as needed. This will help you stay on track and achieve your financial goals. In conclusion, tracking your budget with EveryDollar is a simple and effective way to manage your finances and achieve your financial goals. By following these steps and best practices, you can take control of your finances and start building a more secure financial future.